Okay, look. No, don't go in there. Come on. You gotta go outside. Look at a bird in there. Come on, down and no, don't go into the ceiling. Come on, buddy. I want you to leave. We're gonna go this way. I'm gonna catch you in my hand if I have to. Can I catch you in my hand? Just trying to get him to go out that door. Did he do it? Where'd he go? Did he go out? Nope, he's still in there. Come on. Look, we're gonna go this way. Come here. Come here. Come on, buddy. Come on this way. Can I? Here. Okay. Oh, we are so close to going out that door. We are so close to going out that door. It's just right behind you. No, don't get into my Stanley Cup. I just want you to go straight out that door. See, we just need to go. Oh, you're so silly. You are so silly. I'm just trying to get you to go. There's an open door here. Come on now. We got an open door. We got an open door. Just walk towards the open door. Oh, so close. Gosh, he flew by it. He or she. Come on, buddy. We're gonna try to go one more time. I'd like to try to pick you up. Okay. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Oh, you guys, I think this bird's gonna stay in here. I mean, I don't want him to because I think he would starve. Okay. I'm gonna pick you up. Oh. Just keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. You are so close to the door. Now, go towards the door. No. No. Back toward the door. Back toward the door. You're a baby. Y'all, this is driving me crazy. Come on, can I pick you up? Can I please pick you up? See how close he gets to the door? Look, there's freedom right there. There's freedom. No. Back. Back, buddy, go back. Go back. Where are you? Okay, I just I don't know what to do. The window or the door's wide open. It's getting very hot here in the lobby. Can I pick you up? Oh, can I pick you up? Come here. You don't want me to pick him up. The door, it's right there. It's right there. Oh my gosh. You don't want to go outside. Okay. Now the door is right there. Right there. Look at that. Look at how close he came to going out. This is the stupidest bird. Now it is a baby, so maybe it just doesn't know. I'm assuming that's a baby. Okay. Well, he went up in there. I know you guys tried to get him out. He just couldn't find his way out the door.